If Lucidchart is giving you a failed to download error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can export your diagram without wasting time. This is a common issue, and it usually comes down to browser conflicts, network problems, export settings, or even a file-specific glitch. So stay with me, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to try first and how to get your download working again. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, try the quickest fix. Open Lucidchart in an incognito or private browsing window. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. If you're on another browser, use its private mode. Then sign back into Lucidchart and try exporting your file again. This step helps eliminate problems caused by cached data, browser extensions, or temporary session issues. If the download works in incognito mode, then you know the issue is probably tied to your normal browser session. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the export process and trigger a failed download message. If you're on a VPN, disconnect it and try again. If possible, switch to a different network, like a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, and then test the download again in Lucidchart. Now let's move on to the file name. Sometimes special characters in the document title can cause export problems. If your file has symbols like slashes, asterisks, hashtags, or other unusual characters, rename it to something simple. For example, change it to something like My Diagram or Project Flow. After renaming the document, try downloading it again. If that doesn't work, the next thing to test is your export format. If Lucidchart fails when exporting as a PDF, try a different file type instead. For example, export it as a PNG or JPEG image and see if that goes through successfully. In many cases, changing the format is enough to bypass the error completely. If your document is large or especially complex, that can also be part of the problem. Very big diagrams, heavy image files, or complicated layouts can time out during export. Try removing any high-resolution images, reducing unnecessary elements, or splitting the document into smaller sections. The lighter the file, the easier it is for Lucidchart to generate the download. Another important setting to check is infinite canvas. If your board or diagram is using a very large canvas, that can sometimes cause export issues. To turn it off, go to the top left menu or the three horizontal lines, then click File, then Settings, then Document Settings. From there, find Infinite Canvas and toggle it off. After changing that setting, try the export again. If none of those fixes work, the issue may be with the specific file itself. In that case, duplicate the document and try downloading the copy instead. To do that, go to the top menu, click the More option or the three horizontal lines, choose Duplicate and then open the new copy. Once the duplicate opens, attempt the download again. Sometimes the original file has a hidden corruption issue and duplicating it creates a fresh version that exports normally. So to recap, if Lucidchart says failed to download, start with incognito mode, check your connection, simplify the file name, change the export format, reduce file size, disable infinite canvas, and finally duplicate the document if needed. One of these steps usually solves the problem. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.